Okay, guys, I want to quickly show you how we got this. All right. In case you have not been following us, all right, please quickly come to Facebook and follow us. Some Karate Friends, some Karate. Okay, is our page name on Facebook. Please follow us so that we can have more work doing. All right, and then be able to serve you better. Thank you for coming around. So let me show you how we design this particular Facebook poster, DP poster as it is. Right. Let's go to Canva. I love Canva and get it done. Okay, so the first thing to do is to come to your Facebook, your Canva home like this, right? And then click on create. When you do that, you can search for Facebook. All right, I think you should just type Facebook profile. All right, Facebook profile photo, something like this, right? So click on that, and then this other one is going to pop up, right? But I'm not going to use any of this, right? I'm not going to use a template. What I can use a free one, the space, right? I just need the space. So click on the space, and then that will take us to the canvas. So the next thing to do, go to your element, and then let's look for frames. Go to frames, and then let's look for a circle. All right, that is a nice circle. We can have this one here like this. All right, this particular frame, circle frame, and then I can maybe just go back there, and then let's go to shape this time around, and then I can pick up a circle like this, and then extend it. Okay, I want to use this as background. All right, something like that, and then I can change the color to any other color I want. Okay, I think I should leave it on that green. Let me leave it on that green. Then go to, what did you go to your position, then go to position here, and then you send it backward. All right, send it back to the background so that to take the background shape. That's what I'm trying to do, right? Then make sure is your work is aligned. Okay, make sure everything is well aligned. When those lines cut across it, it means that your work is aligned. When you have done that, then you go to grab the photo, the original photo you want to use. So I go to my uploads and then bring up this photo. All right, and then leave it on the shape or the frame, right? We have done that. What you're going to do is just double tap it, and if you maybe can zoom in a little bit if you want to. All right, you can zoom in a little bit like this, and then click on done. All right, when you have done that, the next you can do is to like add your logo if you want to brand it, or you can also work on, just tap on the photo and work on the temperature, the adjustment and all of that. Click on adjust, right? You can go to temperature and work on it. All right, you can just quickly work on all of these stuffs to make it look nice. Okay, you can do all of that. Okay, do all of that as it pleases you. Okay, just do that, or you can just go to your adjust and click on auto adjust. All right, auto adjust to give you that they can work on the way you want it. Right, I think I should leave it like this. All right, for this particular one. So having done this, I can just decide to add my logo to brand it. Okay, so I'll just grab my logo like this and then reduce this and then bring it up this way. All right, leave it there like that, and then take it up again, duplicate, and then undo that. That's an error. So bring a duplicate like this and then reduce the size of that logo and place it on the suit. All right, something like that. And then you can nudge it to make it look nice. Now what I can do, because of the write up on it, I'll just tap the logo, then crop so that the write up should not be part of it, right? I just need only the logo head. All right, I think that is it. So this is the first thing to do, right? Having done this, I can duplicate this now. Okay, just keep it there and duplicate, and then bring up this one. I cannot change the original dress color, right? Just click on the photo, go to adjust, and then move down to color. You're going to see color lights. Now when you get to color, the suit is blue, so click on the blue. All right, and then you cannot work on this. You see this? Just work on this thing I'm moving, right? You just work on this and then work on the color the way you want it. All right, guys. Okay, and you can be doing this to make money, a lot of money. Okay, for so many persons who are looking for, so there are so many pastors who are looking for Canva, graphic designers. Okay, and then you can actually work on their dresses for them, because they don't have money to keep on changing dresses and all of that, right? But you can use this to change their photos, okay, and the dress on their photos, and they'll keep on paying you for a lot of money for that, right? So you can do this, right, guys? You see where I'm working on it. I think I should just leave it like this. Okay, so it has moved toward green. You see that? It's nice. So then I can work on the background if I want to. Click on the background, go to, let's say, this, something like this, okay, to work on it. Okay, all right, and I can maybe change the circle. You can change the circle to something black or something like this, anyone. Okay, you can decide to now start working on it any way you want it, and we are good to go. And so guys, this is how you get this done. I think you enjoyed this, right? Follow us for more. Thank you and God bless you. This is Dr. Tanke. I'm going to see you in our next class. For now, bye.